Hey guys, this is Chadley and Tom here at MetalWorks, and Tom's going to give us a little bit of a step-by-step guide here on some Art Morrison chassis components.
Basically, guys, we get quite a few phone calls here at the shop about installing these boots onto the control arms over the ball joints. Basically what I have here is a tool that's just nothing more than a piece of exhaust pipe. And we have this old die here that we use to expand that out just a little bit to get your size right. What you want to make sure of is that your tool slips over and you've got a little bit of room in there, basically, so you can press this boot on over the flange of the ball joint without doing any damage to it. And a couple tricks I can explain is first thing we do to these is use some solvent cleaner. Just give this a little bit of a wipe out. What you're trying to do here is remove any silicone that's going to allow the boot to slide off in the future. So we like to get those nice and dry inside. The solvent cleaner does a great job at that. And then the tool here, the boot will set over that. And the idea is to press it down over the top of the flange on the ball joint without ripping it. Basically, my tool doesn't have a cap on it. You can cap a tool like that if you want, if it's easier to push on it. But it's basically just a simple push down, and there you have it. You make sure that your boot is seated all the way around. There's no tears, there's no rips. It's properly installed and ready for grease.